Alright, so this is my bike check on my brand new 2012 Stolen Heist bike. I just ordered off Dan's comp. This bike comes with Stolen Revolver rims. Pretty nice. It comes with OverLord tires, 2.2 in the front and 2 in the back. It has Stolen Cyclone front fork. Stolen Convict stem, Stolen Tallboy handlebars with stolen money grips, and comes with Tektro brakes, Tektro U-brakes. Stolen seat. Comes with Thermalite PC pedals. A 3-piece mob crank, a 25-tooth alloy chain wheel, the Stolen headset. Overall, this bike is very nice. I like it a lot. This thing's very light. It's pretty nice tricks on it. The only thing I don't like is the U-brakes, which aren't that great. Wish it came with linear pull brakes, but it doesn't. So, comes in another color. This is the neon orange and black one. It also comes in electric matte blue, which isn't that great because just the frame is blue, everything else is black. You can look this bike up on Dan's comp. How about take a look at all the specs for it. It's really nice. Costed $410. Yeah, so here's a quick look at the specs. So that's my bike check on my brand new 2012 Stolen Heist bike.